Welcome to Brain Vision.
So, hello. So this is the diagram representing what is happening. So you have the body moving up, inclined at an angle of 36 degrees. Okay. We have the coefficient of static friction to be 0.65, kinetic friction to be 0.45. So if you want to get acceleration, so the body is moving up. So as it's moving up, the weight is still down, okay, which is mg sine theta. That's along the plane, okay. And of course, friction is also in the same direction, right? So you got friction, we got weight. So we use Newton's second law, and that the friction plus the weight equals ma, just from F equals ma. So F is the resultant. So the friction and the weight are in the same direction. They are all down the plane, and that's going to be equal to ma. Because it is moving, we're going to be using the coefficient of kinetic friction because there's motion, right? So friction, of course, is mu n. So n is the normal force. The normal force is always acting that way. Okay, so it's this way. So the opposite direction is going to be mg cos theta. Okay, so you can just equate them. So you have that here, right? So you find the friction, then just put it back in this formula. We're finding the acceleration, right? So the acceleration is going to be 9.518 meters per second squared. Okay. Then B, now at the top, so at the top, okay, remember the weight is still down, but now the friction is going to be up because the body wants to come down. So the friction is going to up, it's going to go up, it's trying to prevent it from coming down, right? So the downward force is still going to be the weight, which is mg sine theta, right? And then the upward, which is the friction, is going to be mu r. In this case, because it's standing there, or because it's sitting there, the coefficient we're going to be using will be the static coefficient, okay? So you got mu s mg cos theta. So you realize that this one and that, so you realize that that of the weight is bigger, so it's not going to stay there, it's going to come back. So it's not going to stay, so it will not stay, okay? It's not going to stay because the weight down the plane is bigger than the friction up the plane. So it's going to come down. So we can find that acceleration. Okay. Now realize that here there's a negative sign, right? Because they are in opposite directions. So we subtract them. You find A, and you're going to get 2.237, okay, meters per second squared. Thank you very much.